We're at,
Plaza.
this is the Capital City Plaza parking ramp.
They have glass elevators.
Here they are.
Let's go ride them.
Let's see what we have. Dover Impulse.
Oh wow, what a color.
You know what was funny in my mind? I was like, watch these be Dover traction.
They are.
These are gonna be epic.
Oh yeah, look at these. Let me get a look at it. Wow, look at that.
Look at this 10.
10.
Here we go.
Thyssenkrupp. Here we go. They're Dover.
Watch out the window.
These are probably T4s. Let me push the button. Put on the 1, phone. Look at the other car. Here's our friend, Mr. Security. That's a pretty epic elevator. Send that one back. That is a pretty epic elevator. Try to ride the other one.
Okay. Go ahead and call it.
Did it leave yet?
Yep.
See if this one comes now. Oh, yep. This is a good controller. Epic. So then I watched the numbers going down. I want to get a view out the window now.
Yeah.
You stand way back here. Here we go. Look at this. Nice leveling. Now send it back down to 1. Again, I like these numbers. I want to watch the numbers going down.
All right, I'll watch out the window again.
Here's the camera.
Here goes a train.
The train. There's a train.
Yeah, get out and watch it.
And
Let's see which train it is. 70. That's a new one.
that'll be it.
Cool.
Right from